There is a huge amount of programming language, and every so few years a new big one is entering the market. But why is that? If you think about programming languages, some things like Python, C, C++, or Java might come to your mind immediately. But some other might directly think of completely different languages. And additionally to these popular languages, there are also countless unpopular and unknown languages. The main reason for why there are so many languages is that technology always evolves, and we need new languages to make tools for these new technologies. Mainly this is because every programming language has a certain limit, which results in issues that can't be fixed with the existing languages. That might be the point when a new language is created. Often the languages are also made to solve a specific task, and therefore they have other uses. Some might be used for web development, another for mobile apps, another for desktop apps, and the last one for data analysis. Not only is every language made for a different task, but also each of them have certain advantages and disadvantages. The first language might be really fast, the second has a high performance, the next is easy and fast to learn, and the last one is good when it's coming to safety and security. But it's not only the individual technology differences, but also human preferences. Everyone has a language that suits them better than another. Everyone can choose the one fitting their needs the best and can set their own preferences. It could be the case some people like it when their code looks more like a math equation, while the next one likes bigger text style codes more. In the modern days, we now also have non-script based languages. That means you don't even need to be able to code anymore if you don't want to, in order to create an app or a game. The personal preferences can also involve the difference between flexible languages and very strict ones. All these points are just things everyone has to find out for themselves, and with so many programming languages on the market, you could choose from a big variety. In the end, every programming languages, whether it is script based or not, makes the same thing. It translates between the human thoughts and the zeros and ones of the computer. But they have massive differences visible for humans. They are made for different uses, and personal preferences of the users decide whether they like a language or want to choose a new one from the big market. As a conclusion, we can say, ever so often a new big language is released in order to solve a new issue or make programs for new technologies. Some other languages might be older, but get popular due to certain events. In the end, everyone chooses a language they think fits their needs and their own taste the best, and therefore it is good to have such a big variety of options.